Looking for a chainsaw sharpener that actually makes dull teeth feel new again without wasting your whole afternoon? Here are 5 options ranked from the weakest pick to the one that gives you the most serious sharpening setup. At the bottom of this list is the OMCCHK sharpener, and this one really feels like the most basic entry point. It's small, simple, and easy to toss in a toolbox, but compared with the rest of this lineup, it gives you the least verified guidance and the least confidence if you want a more polished sharpening setup. What it does well is portability. If you just want something tiny that can ride along with your saw and help touch up a chain in a pinch, this one has that pocket-size appeal. For casual use, that can be enough, especially if you don't want cords, a bench, or a bulky kit. The downside is that it looks outclassed pretty quickly once you compare it with the other options here. The specs are sparse, it's fully manual, and it doesn't have the clearer guided angle design you get from stronger jig kits or the speed you get from the electric sharpeners. I would look at this one only if your top priority is having the smallest and simplest backup tool possible. For most people though, spending a little more effort or money gets you a noticeably better experience, and that brings us to the next product. Links to all the products from this review at the best price are in the description under the video. In 4th place, the HWLANTU is still a manual jig, but it already feels more thought out than the OMCCHK. It's the kind of tool that tries to make sharpening less of a guessing game by giving you a more guided setup right on the chain. The big win here is control. With its 2 fixed holes and fixed 30-degree angle, it's built to keep the process more consistent, and that makes it friendlier for people who don't trust themselves to sharpen freehand. Compared with the OMCCHK, it looks more like a complete and more purposeful jig. The trade-off is flexibility. That fixed angle approach can be helpful, but it also means it's not as adaptable as the better electric options higher on the list. And because it's still manual, you're trading speed for simplicity. This is a solid pick for homeowners who want a more guided, low-cost sharpening method without jumping into power tools. But if you want faster touch-ups with less hand effort, the next 2 options make a stronger case. If this ranking is helping you out, like the video and subscribe to the channel. In 3rd place, the EzzDoo starts moving us into the category most people think of when they want easier sharpening: handheld electric kits. This one is a clear step up from the manual jigs when speed matters. What I like here is the value in the box. You get a handheld electric tool, 6 titanium-coated bits, and a design meant to sharpen without removing the chain. Compared with the manual options, it's a lot more convenient, and for quick maintenance, it can feel like swapping a butter knife for a real edge tool. The catch is consistency. Because it's still a handheld format, your results depend more on your hand staying steady and your angle staying true. That's not a deal breaker, but it does mean it's not quite as confidence-inspiring as a stronger guided kit or a mounted grinder. This one makes sense for users who want a faster sharpening method without dedicating space to a bench machine. But if you want a handheld setup with a little more structure, the runner-up is a better fit. Taking 2nd place is the Pebble, and this is the handheld electric sharpener I would recommend to more people first. It feels like the sweet spot between easy to use and better guided control. The reason it beats the EzzDoo is simple. The kit is very clearly laid out, it covers multiple chain sizes, and that angle attachment gives you a better shot at keeping your sharpening more even from tooth to tooth. In my experience, little details like that are what turn a frustrating tool into one you actually keep using. It's still not perfect. Just like the EzzDoo, you're working with a handheld system, so it's not the same as locking into a heavy mounted grinder and repeating the same motion every time. If you sharpen chains constantly, you may still want something more serious. For homeowners, firewood cutters, and anyone who wants a practical electric sharpener without going full shop setup, this is a very strong choice. But if you want the most powerful and repeatable option in this lineup, the top pick earns it. At number 1, the Conkel takes the top spot because it's built more like a real sharpening station than a quick touch-up gadget. This is the option in this lineup that looks best suited for fast, repeatable sharpening when you want clean, consistent results. The biggest advantage is the combination of power and stability. You get a 250-watt motor, 8,400 RPM, an adjustable angle setup, and a mountable base. Compared with every handheld or manual option here, that gives it the strongest case for precision and repeatability, especially if you sharpen more than one chain on a regular basis. Of course, that extra capability comes with a trade-off. It's larger, less portable, and not the kind of thing you casually throw in the truck for a quick field touch-up. It's the pick for people who want a proper setup, not just a handy backup. So who should buy it? Anyone who sharpens often, wants better consistency, and is tired of fighting with slower or less stable tools. If your goal is the strongest overall sharpener in this group, this is the one I would put at the top. Check out the top products using the links in the description under the video, and pick the one that matches how you actually sharpen. And if this review helped narrow it down, like the video and subscribe to the channel.